So question number 7, when is the best time to apply foliar sprays? If you're in USDA zones 3 through 8, I would say anytime during the growing season. If you're in USDA zones 9 through 11, yesterday. Like literally apply foliar sprays any time of the year, whatever you got. It could be probiotics, it could be fish emulsion, it could be sea kelp, it could be compost tea, it could be Korean natural farming, it could be JDAM. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. And there's drawbacks and pluses and minuses to all of them. Not really drawbacks. There's benefits to all of them. You know, your kelp is not going to be a fertilizer that's helping with the uptake of nutrients and minerals specifically. Fish emulsion is going to be a very, very light nitrogen boost. The probiotics, obviously it's adding probiotics and microbes, which do absorb through the leaves and the cambium layer of your trees. So you can literally spray the bark and the trunk on those trees, and it does absorb through the cambium's vascular system. So there's a lot of benefits to all of those. So if you want to go a little bit deeper into it, this coming week, we're doing the class on Patreon on different types of foliar sprays, how you use them within your system, how you brew them. There's a shorter version of a basic spray on YouTube, and there is a kind of a Ninja Master recipe for foliar spray on YouTube as well. But we're going to do a longer 45-minute class coming up here in Patreon in the next week.